Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to earn money on Web 3.0. Let's get started. Blockchain and cryptocurrency will be the building block of Web 3.0 instead of big data, AI, or machine learning. Though AI and machine learning could also play a great part in making websites and applications more user-friendly and ensuring faster decision-making processes, blockchain and cryptocurrency will handle the decentralization of the internet. So here are 10 ways you could soon earn money on Web 3.0. Number 1. Content creation. Since the decentralized internet will also encourage information distribution, internet users can continue to make money on the Web 3. Though creating and sharing information will become seamless and high-tailored, content creators who can deliver quality and optimize their content on the decentralized web will make money on the internet. Number 2. Working on Decentralized Autonomous Organization, or DAO. Decentralized Autonomous Organization is an entity collectively owned and managed by its members. In a DAO, decisions are made from the bottom up, with no central leadership. Participants working on DAO are incentivized for their contribution and overall participation to improve the DAO. DAOs will become more popular in the decentralized internet, with varying communities organizing their organizations around a specific set of rules enforced on blockchain. A DAO has built-in treasuries that can only be accessed with the authority of members. Decisions in DAO are uniquely made via collective proposals and group votes over specified duration. Networks of users can also pool resources together for software subscriptions, charity, and donations. Number 3. Freelancing. Freelancing is a contract-based profession that allows an individual to provide services for many clients at the same time. In the decentralized internet, individuals can still make money on the internet by using their skills and experience to solve problems for people. Most interestingly, freelancers can use DAO to work on assignments or tasks and earn more money without committing to only one employer. Many times, freelancers can earn as many tasks as they can take on. Number 4. Blogging. Blogging has thrived on the current internet like every other online activity. Several internet users are making their daily living through blogging, and it might continue to be a relevant source of livelihood for interested folks in the decentralized internet. Web 3.0 will allow users to create their space on the decentralized web, create their audience, and start publishing original content for their audience. Ideally, the more consistent an individual is, the more money they can make via blogging. Next, number 5. Online surveys. On the decentralized internet, users can also make some money by conducting online surveys, fact-checking, and testing. Web 3.0 might come with several opportunities beyond what we see, but it takes the consistent and open-minded to see the opportunities. Online surveys are kind of popular today, but they can become more popular with blockchain technology. Most of the online surveys are structured and questionnaires targeted, where people fill out a form for some rewards. Number 6. Cloud mining. Cloud mining is another mechanism useful in mining cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, through rented cloud computing power. This mining mechanism is possible without directly installing or running any hardware or software directly. With blockchain apps designed to enhance cloud-based computing, cloud miners can earn and accumulate digital assets without any prior mining experience. Number 7. Cryptocurrency trading. Trading has been a vital source of income for internet users, and it will continue to give money to many others. Even on the decentralized internet, the use of blockchain applications and cryptocurrencies will allow many to earn money on the internet via the trading of blockchain assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Number 8. DeFi staking. With the advancement of decentralized finance, many internet users will earn more money with DeFi staking on Web 3.0. DeFi staking allows users to lock tokens into a smart contract and earn returns on the locked tokens. This is a beautiful reward mechanism that encourages network users to interact with the blockchain. Number 9. DeFi yield farming. Yield farming is another essential feature of decentralized finance, where blockchain and cryptocurrency enthusiasts earn money. Yield farming might become more adopted in Web3, and liquidity providers earn money by receiving more tokens on their pool share. The rewards you earn either come as the same crypto token or an entirely different crypto token. And lastly, number 10. Community management. Community management has become a vital source of livelihood for some web users. And with the decentralized internet, more blockchain projects that need community managers will surface on the internet. This will create more earning possibilities for internet users. In conclusion, earning on the internet has become more pronounced in the last few years. However, the next-gen decentralized internet could bring more opportunities for internet users than we currently have. And there you have it, how to earn money on Web 3.0. And before this video ends, say goodbye to traffic woes and start driving quality traffic today. Make any business profitable with lower ad costs, higher conversions from Facebook ads. Get leads, buyers, make sales, and outperform every competitor in any niche by using Adplify by Techniforce. It's a cloud-based SaaS, newbie-friendly, and 7-in-1 toolset. It's the ultimate traffic suite with Page Watcher, Hidden Audience Finder, Behavioral Targeter, Page Targeter, Email List to Audience, Ad Decorator, and Return of Investment Calculator. So, go ahead and try it out. Just go to getadplify.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.